Hey everyone, enjoy the show. It's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? Happy holidays. What we have here might be a great holiday gift for you. Jaime just got done restoring it. It's a 1912 advanced gumball vending machine with a nice big globe on it. You can take a look at Jaime. Went through the whole thing, broke her down, cleaned her up, repainted her. She's in beautiful shape. So if you are looking for an excellent holiday gift or just looking for a great advanced gumball machine, this is for you then.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.